This is chapter 8. Chapter 8. And the chapter name is I, you, he, she, it. Do you know? These are known as pronouns. These are pronouns. And what is the function of a pronoun? What is the function of a pronoun? 1 minute. Sing. Read this sentence. Read this sentence. This is Hari. This is Hari. This is Hari and he plays the piano. Who plays the piano? Hari plays the piano. Shima. Shima is my sister. She likes ice cream. Who likes ice cream? Shima likes ice cream. I am hot. I live in the sky. I am the sun. In this sentence, I repeated. I am hot. I live in the sky. I am the sun. Next, the pencil is on the table and it is blue in color. So, you can see now read this box. Be attentive, everyone. Be attentive. Sometimes we don't want to use the same naming word. If I say Upama, okay? If I say that Upama is a girl, Upama is 6 years old, Upama is a student of St. Xavier's High School, Upama reads in standard 1, Upama is a good girl. So every time I'm starting the sentence with Upama, Upama, Upama. So instead of using the word Upama, I can also say that Upama is a girl. She reads in standard 1. She is a student of St. Xavier School. She is a good girl. So instead of using the name Upama, I use she. Why she? Because we know that we use she for a girl and he for a boy. And we use the pronoun it for a thing. We use the pronoun it for a thing. Okay, a thing, just like pencil. Pencil is a thing, so we will use this pronoun it. So sometimes we don't want to use the same naming word again and again. It sound also very bad. So then we use words like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they in the place of naming word. We use I to talk about ourselves. So if you want to say about yourself, you will say, I am a girl, I am a boy. Yes. We use you for the person we are talking to. Now I am talking with you. Yes. We can use I and you for a boy, girl, man, or woman. Okay. We use he for one boy. We use he for one boy or one man. We use she for one woman, one. He for one boy, she for one girl. And we use it for a thing or an animal. If I say for animal, if I say that tiger is our national animal, tiger is our national animal. It is it has it has yellow and black stripes on its body. So for a thing, keep in mind, for a thing and for an animal we use it. Understand? For animal and for thing we will use only it. And for a boy, for a girl we will use, for a boy we will use he, for a girl we will use she. And more than one boy, more than one girl in plural, we will use they. We will use they. Okay, now do this. Fill in the blanks using I, you, he, she, or it. Do this. Do it now. Do it now. Do this now. Do this now. Do it now. Everyone, do it now. Fill in the missing. Fill in the missing blanks. Do it now. Everyone, do it now. Exercise A. Do it now. Fill in the missing. Fill in the blank using I, you, he, she, or it. It is very easy. Miss Jane had a bag. She opened the bag. Why she? Because Miss Jane is a girl. Jishan, do it. Now do it. Maria is a naughty girl. Dash love to play trick. It will be. Jishan, unmute your device. Say. Question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of question number 2. Tell me the answer of question number 2.
C.
Question number 2 will be she. Yes. Okay. It will be she. Very good. Acha. The crow. Okay. Jishan, mute your device. Jishan, mute your device. Shaurish, unmute your device. Shaurish, unmute your device and tell me question number 3. Shaurish. Hmm? The crow fell. So we will write eat. Yes. The crow felt thirsty. It searched for water. It searched for water. Okay. Put capital C. Okay. The crow felt thirsty. It searched for water. Okay. Now go to the next page. Go to the next page. Okay, now do it. Now do this. Only do exercise A. Only do exercise A. So who will say? Ankit Khati, tell me the answer of question number 4. Question number 4. Kiran is my brother, is very kind. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Kiran is my brother. What will be the answer? Say. Say. He. Yes. The answer will be he. He. My mother is in Chennai. My mother is in Chennai. Acha, Ognidipta, unmute your device, Ognidipta.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, my mother is in Chennai. Dash went to Chennai last week. It will be she or he.
My mother is in Chennai. She went to Chennai last week.
Very, very good. So it will be she. Very good. Acha, mute your device. Ridhan. Ridhan, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Ridhan, tell me next. Mohan asks me, are dash hungry? What will be the answer? When anyone asks us, I just ask you. I also can ask you that, how are you, Ridhan? So like this, Mohan asks me, are you hungry? Okay, Ridhan? Understand?
ma'am.
Are you hungry?
You had.
Are you hungry? Next. Next. This is an apple. This is an apple tree. This is an apple tree. My uncle plant eat. My uncle plant eat. Rekha loves pets. Dash has 2 dogs.
It has.
Re-
No,
no. Yes, she has. Rekha loves pet. Now Rekha has 2 dogs. Yes, she. So she has.
He.
Tanvir studies in class 1. He. Very good. 10. This is my house. I. Very good. Very good. Completed. Now exercise B is your homework. This is your homework. This is your homework. No need to do now. This is your homework. Exercise B is your homework. Okay? Already you have completed. In? Yes. Say. You already have completed. So very good. Very good. This is your homework. Okay? And we will discuss about this next day.